Okay guys, I've spot welded the plate in and I tacked it down this edge where the metal was a bit thin because one of these holes blew out completely, but as usual it's solid. I've got to make a plate for that end to shape it, and there is a bit of rot inside, loose rot, but on this side of the motorhome you can get in the back. So I'll vacuum that out once I'm finished and treat it, but it's too blooming hot now, and this is some of the crud that's come out. I don't know if you can see that, sorry, there's quite a bit of crud there that's come out. Okay, so that's it for today. I've had enough now, and God, it soon makes it stronger when you put a plate on it. Apologise for the lighting, but it's not very good. I'm in direct sunlight here, and I'm just fabricating a plate for this here, and this is what I'm intending to weld in. It's not as thick as the other plate, but this is very thick. It's too thick really compared to the original panels, and I'm going to see if I can fabricate that in, and I'm going to mark where I'm going to put the holes for welding, and like there, and I'll do that. I'll switch the camera off to mark those up. Apologise for the light, trying to get the light out of the camera. That's the spot weld positions, and yeah, that should work okay. So I've got to drill this plate. Okay, that's the metal plate, and fabricated, and I hope it will fit. Excuse the light condition. That's the welding done. A couple of spot welds there which could be better, but yeah, I'm happy with that, and a bit more sanding and grinding, and then put some filler in and let that go off in the heat. Keep saying excuse the light, but the light is terrible. I'm trying to put some filler in that end, and that end I'm just going to slap some paint, corrosion paint on it, and then I'll put a bit more filler and I can see the defects, but it's coming on very nicely. Very quick dose of paint of this rust stuff on it, and then it'll be trimmed off with more filler where I can see defects. But that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.